Hey, so welcome. It is holiday time at doTERRA. I love it so much. I'm going to show you how to find it. So you go to your doTERRA account, you'll log in, your picture will show up here. If you don't have an account, click on the shop button or shop and save at the top, something like that, and you can get your account. So click here on shop, and then you'll go down to this holiday guide here. This is what we have on the holiday guide, and they'll show up when they are gone, but they just started November 1st. So get them before they're gone. The ones I'm really super excited about, this one right here, cinnamon drops. They're just like the On Guard drops and the Breathe drops and the Ginger drops, but they're cinnamon. They are super good, very holiday-ish. And if you just really love cinnamon, that's going to be great. I'm really excited for this gardenia hand cream. The hand creams are not greasy and they absorb really fast and they are amazing. I got a few last year on a different smell that they had, but gardenia is my grandma's favorite. And so I'm really excited to have that. And then they also have the gardenia oil. These are the holiday basics. We have Holiday Joy and Holiday Peace. Both are great for your diffuser to make your home really smell like Christmas. Then you have Holiday Peace, Holiday Joy, and Holiday Love that come in a trio if you want all three. Lemon lime drops, also a big favorite. They haven't had these in probably 8 years. And they were so good. I was really sad when mine were gone. So I'm really excited for these. There's some organic honey, some sensitive skin oil, this tinted lip gloss I'm also really excited for. I love that it doesn't taste nasty. Like so many lip glosses you get and they just taste gross. So I have a doTERRA one that I've had from years ago. It's almost gone. So I'm really excited for that one. This Yarrow Palm Revitalizing Eye Mask is awesome, and a Yule Log Inviting Blend if you want your home to smell like a Yule log. So go ahead and go check those out, and you can see the holiday guide, get all those things. This is a really fun one, Holiday Piece, and it will come with the bubble diffuser. I love these diffusers. You just screw the bottle straight onto it, flip it over, and it has a motion-activated thing that will allow you, so you walk by, and it just adds that smell into your home, and you can use it all year long, but this one will come with the holiday scent. So check it out and see if you are in the mood for some holiday love and holiday goodness from doTERRA. I love it, and I think you will too.